Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into a pack that I bought from Amazon. It is from a company called ArmyCamoUSA. Now you guys know, if you look at any tactical stuff now, there are numerous amounts of different brands and bags and tactical gear out there now today. I mean, it is ridiculous, and finding good stuff for a decent price can be difficult. You know, there are the well-known brands that you will pay a lot for. Granted, you're going to get something good, but I try and find the stuff that costs a little bit less, but still you get good quality. But obviously you don't want to be buying anything that's going to fall apart on you. So I did probably about a month and a half of research looking for a bag through Amazon. I am really happy with this bag, so I'm going to go through it today with you guys, share some of the information that I have here, and I really hope you guys find it helpful. So when you look this up, it will be linked down in the description for you guys under tactical gear, if you guys are interested. They have it listed as a small military assault backpack, ruck, pack, bug out bag. I mean, they list all of that in the title just so when you're searching for a pack, whether you type in rucksack or pack or bug out bag or assault pack or 3-day pack or anything like that, it's going to pop up. That's why they did that. Now, I didn't need anything big. I travel a lot on the road for work. And being prior military, I just love the military bags. I already have a bug out bag and stuff, range bag. So this is for, when I go, I use it for a carry-on flights, and then I use it in the semi when I'm driving. I keep all my stuff in there so I can, have it accessible and everything. So it's a really nice bag. It's not very big, but it holds exactly what I need. So it's not quite the size of a 3-day pack. It's a little bit smaller. But it's priced really well. This one runs $32. It's water and tear resistant, and we'll get into it. I'll show you everything. I'll open it all up. And it comes in a lot of different colors and everything. It comes in black multicam, ACU, coyote, which is this one, gray, OCP, OD green, and red. So a lot of different color options there. They do have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Now hopefully I never have to use that, and who knows how well that actually works, because ArmyCamoUSA doesn't seem to be one of those companies that everybody knows of, like the big name brands. So I'm not sure how that guarantee would work, but hopefully it's good, but hopefully I never have to use it. Some of the specs on the bag: it is roughly 16 inches tall, 12 inches wide, and depending on how much stuff you have packed in it, front to back, it says 9 inches. I mean, it extends pretty far, and it's pretty decent. So I have it basically empty right now, but I love that it holds its shape. It stands up by itself. It's got a main 3-pocket design and multiple other pockets and everything as well. Other than that, it does have mesh padding on the back, which is comfortable, as well as the shoulder straps. And it does have a waist belt. I removed mine because I'm not actually rucking or anything with this. I'm using it as a carry-on or to travel with. And then it also has a strap that ties in here and here. The strap comes down and then clips in here, so you can kind of scrunch it all together. You also have the side ones as well. The top one just seemed to get in the way because I always get into these pockets, so I just removed it so it's easier to get into these pockets. Other than that, it does have a 3-liter bladder capacity. It doesn't come with the bladder, but you can carry it in here. It does have a portion on the top here to feed your CamelBak through. So other than that, it does have 4.5 stars or 4.5 stars and roughly 230 reviews. So that's all the information I have on it. Now I'm going to show you more up close. So on the front, you have a couple different spots for Velcro. There's just a couple different Velcro strips here. I put some of my own patches on here. A couple more up here on this pocket. 2 tightening straps here on the lower portion, and 2 up here as well. But other than that, the front pocket here, the zippers are very heavy duty. Everything's double stitched. The zippers are actually really nice. That's one of the main things I wanted to make sure I was getting a good thing on a pack is the zippers. That's a big deal to me. So they are very nice, snag free. They don't catch on anything. Got a couple pairs of sunglasses in here. So you can see the material. So it is, you know, water resistant. You have a couple pen pouches and other small pouches in here. I have some Ear Pro in here and miscellaneous stuff. But the pocket is pretty good depth. That front small pocket, that's where I keep a lot of like my keys and information that I need for when I'm on the road. Another small pocket up top, same material on the outside, same zippers throughout the entire bag. Really nice. The second main pocket, you have that same material. You have kind of a couple mesh pockets here, and then another small pocket behind it. And then this zipper goes down about, you know, a quarter of the way from the bottom. I just have, you know, you can easily fit a jacket in this pocket. I got some gloves and a beanie. You can easily fit quite a bit in this second main pocket. And then the main pocket itself does actually zip all the way down to the bottom, so it opens up completely flat. So that is really nice. That same water resistant material on both sides. Zip it back up a little bit. And then in the back here, you do have a zipper pocket as well. Other than that, as you can already tell, you do have some MOLLE here on the front, some behind my patches as well. You have some MOLLE here on the sides. These are just kind of other straps. These don't open up. You will find other packs that actually open up. This is just more MOLLE. More clips. More MOLLE on the actual shoulder straps. And they do have clips at the bottom as well. It's adjustable and it's very comfortable. Once again, it's not a very big pack. It's a 30 liter. It's worked great. I've had it since November. Love it. Can't say enough. It's $30 basically, and it does everything I need. So I think it's great for whether you're traveling, you know, just normally, whether, you know, you want to use it as a range bag, bug out bag, or, you know, maybe a two-day pack. I guarantee you I could fit 3 days worth of supplies in here. It does open up pretty far when it is packed full. It does get pretty big, more this direction, you know, than it is wide. But I like the shape of it. I like the size. Please let me know your guys' thoughts. I think it's a very universal pack. And if you guys are interested, once again, it's linked down in the description for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, please hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your thoughts. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.